Welcome back to the Monthly Market Minute, where we take a minute to talk about the Montreal real estate market, its stats and trends. So here in February, after big snowstorms, we've seen a lot of movement in the real estate market. To end the 2024 market, it was very much a slower market where buyers and sellers really had enough time to really kind of slow down and look at their options. What we're seeing in January was a very quick start, and February has already started as a multiple offer spring market. Now, we're seeing this on all price points under $1 million, a lot of movement, a lot of activity, and just anecdotally what I'm seeing with my clients right now, and even with my own listings, we find ourselves listing on the Wednesday and the Thursday, doing visits on the weekend, and offers on Monday. So that market seems to be coming back. Now, what is making all this activity? Well, we're hearing a lot of talk in the market right now, or in the news, about tariffs. Tariffs are about everything. Now, what we have right now is inconsistency in the marketplace, and what this inconsistency is doing is really starting to affect interest rates, meaning that variable rate is going to go down again, even though the Bank of Canada was suggesting they wanted to not lower interest rates anymore. The insecurity inside the economy is starting to drop interest rates, which is really just fueling the real estate market even more. Buyers trying to get in while interest rates are low, and of that fear of losing out on a great deal before prices go right back up. Because, as I was saying, as we ended 2024, we saw a bit of a stagnation in the market, meaning stagnation in pricing. So that's what we're seeing in the market so far this spring. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, you can respond directly to this video.